Welcome back to the basement, and thanks for watching. This video is about a deal I found on Horizon last week. At least it was a good deal for me. There has been a want in my life, a desire, a need to get another warbird. And the P-51 Model D Mustang is a favorite of mine. I've studied a lot of World War II history, and I love that airplane. Horizon has had one on their site for at least 5 years, and I've never bought it. I was put off a bit by the price. But last week, Horizon had a 2-day sale, maybe 3 days. Anyway, had that airplane on sale for 40% off. And I thought about it, and I thought about it, and I thought about it. The sale expired on the 20th, and on the evening of the 19th, sitting there watching TV and decided I was going to buy it. So grabbed the phone, put in my order, and checked the next morning, and it was sold out. I was checking to make sure they got my order, and it said 0 available. So I apparently got one of the last ones, and it's shipping from California. It's supposed to be here, according to FedEx, by about next Tuesday, which is fine because I've got plans for Monday. And then I have to find a place to put it. Well, turns out that if you've watched my video on my airplane tree, you will understand that that is not a real problem. So I'm going to go grab the camera and show you how and where I'm going to put that new fuselage. I'll have to get a bag for the wings, which won't be a very big one. And the way it turns out, those wings have a rather unique mounting system, so I don't think it's going to be a very big bag. So anyway, I'm looking forward to getting this airplane and putting it together. I may or may not film the assembly, because there are a lot of videos out there from people like Brian Phillips, although they're quite old. Well, come to think of it, most of those assembly videos will probably be from the guys that get these airplanes when they first come out. It'll probably be 4 or 5 years old. So maybe I will make a video putting it together. It's a very simple airplane to assemble. It's not a big problem. So I'm going to go grab the camera and show you how we're going to mount this fuselage when it comes in. Again, I thank you again for watching. So here we are back again. And this probably isn't going to be where they actually wind up, because it does kind of get in the way of getting back to my wings back there. But I can also put it up higher so I can walk under it, or I can come back here and extend one of these backsides out. And I'm not even sure, I probably won't even need that full 12 inches. I may wind up cutting those down. Once I get that fuselage next Tuesday, take it out and see if I really need all 12 inches of that. Probably won't need it. But what it does mean is I'll have to take one fuselage out to get to the next one. But just goes to show you how easy it is to modify this stand and make room for more airplanes. I could conceivably get 1, 2, 3, 4, down at the bottom 5, 6 more airplanes in here if I'm willing to put one on the floor. And 6 on the backside too. So I could get up 12 more airplanes on this stand. Well, the backside's going to be a bit problematic because it's going to be hard to maneuver around because it's so close to the wall already. Anyway, if you like this, I'd appreciate a subscription or a like or a comment, whatever. It helps raise the visibility of this channel in the YouTube algorithm. And thanks again for watching.